What's up, man? It's your boy Mo Kicks Bruce Lee back again for another banger.
Yeah, ho!
Check this out. This time we're here for the Air Jordan Retro SP Solefly. Let's go.
Look at that Miami Hurricane. Son, look at that shit, bro. That cold, lady.
Oh, y'all, I am excited about this release. This shoe releases December the 2nd, and it is only going to be released on Solefly's website. So as you see on the screen, you guys can get on the website and click notify me so y'all can get notified for when the raffle goes live, because it's only an online raffle as of right now. I don't think it's any sneakers drop for these right here, so you're only gonna be able to get them on the website or via resale if you want to. And we're gonna put the resale prices right now on the screen so you see where they at right now, so that kind of gives you a gauge of how they might be. But hey, I'm excited to get into these. Ever since I seen the leaked pictures, man, I've been like, I gotta have them, so let's get into them. So the size label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, Sail Green, Sail Gorge Green. This is size 9. Shout out to my guy Jet the Beast for letting me review his pair. Hey man, in the box, this is how the box comes and it looks, man. It has like this orange logo on it with the Jordan sign logo in it, Solefly Miami on it. And again, as I stated, these are only going to be released at Solefly in Miami. I don't think it's any sneakers drop coming forward, so only online via raffle. So y'all gotta, so y'all can know when y'all want to go about these or how y'all going, your chances on to get them. So let's get into the box. Open that lid up. On the inside of the box, I don't see any type of stamps or anything. They do come with this nice shoe bag right here, dust bag, and as you can see, for legit checking purposes, what it's gonna look like. Then they come with this orange and green Solefly paper. Y'all, I can't wait to get these in hand. This is my first time seeing them too. Y'all, these are dope. And man, the quality on these off the rip, that's what I'm seeing, y'all. And they come in the colors of, of course, University of Miami Hurricanes. And as you see, a couple of legends in University of Miami got these delivered to them already. We saw pictures with Mike Tyson, Michael Irvin, a bunch of other folks getting these, man. These joints hard, man. They come with the orange and the green laces. And y'all, it's a nice tumbled leather going over. Y'all know how the first release went. I ain't gonna say first release, the other Jordan 1 Solefly release went that were green and orange and green. I had those, but I had to go on sell them because of the worth of them. But y'all, these so dope. But they resemble the quality that those had as well on these. Such a dope sneaker, man. One thing I'm loving too about them is like this suede that they got on it, this orange suede. Orange on the back, green on the toe cap, which is, would replace where the normal elephant print was, which is so dope. That's a dope touch. The bottoms are so clean. The orange and that green. This is just a dope colorway, y'all. And they do come with this special hang tag. The threes come with your OG hang tag, but they got the Solefly logo in the middle of the Nike logo like you would normally get. The details, let's see, on the inside of the tongue, you got Miami right here on the left shoe. On the inside of this one, you got the Sunshine State. Like these, man, these are just clean. The insoles got the SF on them. Such a dope sneaker. Also, they got their logo right here where the elephant print would normally be on the heel, which I think that's kind of cool. Similar to the Jordan 1s, they had the logo right there. Green logo on the tongue. The back, you got that Nike Air on the ass, which I think was dope too. Keeping that OG touch to them, y'all. And man, these are so dope. I'm looking forward to them. I'm hoping I can get a pair either for retail, hopefully not resale, but like we put the prices on the screen. Yeah, I don't know what resale is going to drop to once these drop, because they super limited. And of course, as y'all saw There was a couple of pairs stolen somewhere near the Memphis area. So, you know, like always, so that kind of makes them more limited because we don't know how many pairs got out before. So, man, good luck to anybody going for them. I'm definitely going to go for them, and we're going to get into some beautiful B-roll of these here. Hey man, appreciate y'all for stopping by, checking out yet another episode of Mo Kicks with Bruce Lee. And follow me on all platforms. That's IG, X/Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, all at Mo Kicks with Bruce Lee, man. So you can just get in the loop and see when I'm dropping next, see what shoe gonna be dropping, catch these fits, cause your boy do be fresh. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, hey, we gonna see y'all on next episode, man. Check y'all next one, man. All right, I'm out.